we are out here with the MJX, little CITROEN car. Now this has a gyro in it, and I'm running it with the lithium ion pack that it came with, and stock tires. I'm trying not to roll it over, and I'm just trying to get a feel for the car, because this is essentially the first time I'm driving it. It's actually quite quick, but being a lithium ion pack, it has very slow acceleration. There's no punch, and there's definitely a delay with the radio. So it's a little bit of getting used to. Brakes are really strong, almost too strong. But now I'm starting to get a feel for the handling. Wow, it drives really good. I actually just finished driving the Lalo XTS rather, and I gotta say, this is more locked in, way more locked in than the Lalo car. There we go. Look, you can probably see a bit of a difference now from when I started driving it to what it is now. Switches direction really well. Doesn't want to spin out all that much. Wow, this thing drives so good. Now I'm really starting to pushing it. Wow, this thing's amazing. Oh my god. This thing's awesome. Alright, well, I gotta be honest. I mean, it doesn't feel as fast as the Lalo car, but it's Whee! That was nice, I was lucky. You hit that crease. You're still good. But I'm twitching the steering. You can see here I'm twitching the steering to see if the thing would lose control, but it just won't. I'm pinned the whole time. Wow, this lithium ion pack, once you get going, it's actually not that bad. I'm just amazed at how much control I have over it. It switches direction. Look at that. It switches direction without losing control. Pack's starting to die. Look at that, just doing figure eights to show you that it actually handles both directions quite well. Stock tires, plenty of power. This thing drives absolutely amazing. I'm blown away by it. I need to get more rally cars. This is ridiculous. Look how it takes that corner. You can just throw it into the corners. Look at it. Just the tap of the brake and really throw it into the corners. But where the battery really dies is when you go to zero, and then see there's no punch out of the hole. So if I go stop and now punch, so watch it again. You can see that it has a bit of a delay to when it gets going. But once it's rolling, you can bleep the throttle quite easily and stay on the power band. Yeah, see? There's no punch out of that hole. Alright, let's leave it here with the stock battery, and we'll come back. Hopefully, I think this can take a 3S, right? I'm pretty sure it can. Alright, catch you next time. Thanks for watching.